Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On a cold Tuesday morning, it's the 15th day of February. Time as I make this, 3:35 a.m. The temperature right now is 22 at this hour with a wind chill factor of 12, and I fully expect wind chill factors will fall to the single digits here in central Alabama by later on this morning. And it's going to be a cold, raw day. Temperatures only in the 30s, and the winds will make it seem a lot colder than that. Fortunately, in this part of the state, we did not have to deal with frozen precipitation. This morning, Haleyville is a good example. It is coated with a half an inch of ice. Well, anything above a quarter of an inch is a big deal. And it's, last time I checked, 12,000 people still without power across northwest Alabama. We're already looking forward but looking at our next storm system on the way. That's coming in here Wednesday night into Thursday. Some parts of the state could see some strong storms. Many areas north and west of Alabama especially will see more miserable snow and ice with this particular storm system as well. But we'll look ahead. I'm going to tell you about a warming trend in the not too distant future. Stand by.
There were a few brief novelty-type snow flurries here in central Alabama late last night. This is the County Downs area, courtesy of Rick Evans. Thanks, Rick. I see Maxwell Air Force Base reported a brief snow flurry yesterday evening. No big deal. The extreme cold grips much of America, and we're just getting a little sample of it. It's a harsh sample, but it's only a sample. The extreme stuff is farther to the west. So today, it's breezy and cold here, but at least we're quiet, waiting for that next big storm system in the west. Look at that. Windy and cold today, high temperature up to about 38. We'll probably see some sunshine by sometime this afternoon. Low tonight down to about 27. It's that west wind at 10 to 18 miles per hour that'll make it seem so cold. Tomorrow, after a cold start, we have generally a dry day, but maybe some showers late in the day. Here's that next storm system cruising along the Gulf Coast, the warm air sector into South Alabama by Wednesday midnight, and some snow and ice up to the northwest of Alabama and just touching maybe the northwestern counties. Southeast Alabama will be in the warm air sector, so that's where the stronger storms will be during the day on Thursday. We're going to be watching that closely. And by Thursday night, the front is out of here. It turns windy and sharply colder again. The Storm Prediction Center says the marginal severe weather risk will be as far north as about Greenville late Wednesday night through 6 a.m. on Thursday morning, a slight risk closer to the coast. And then during the daytime hours, kind of a dangerous situation in southeast Alabama with the risk of tornadoes in that level 2 area. The marginal risk as far as the Troy area. So we'll be watching that on Thursday. The rainfall potential, maybe another 1 to 2 inches on top of the soggy grounds we already have. Parts of west central Alabama could see 2 to 3 inches. Another shot of cold Arctic air floods in Thursday night and Friday. Another very uncomfortable day. Temperatures barely into the 40s, but the winds will make it seem colder. So a breezy day on Friday. We'll be into the 20s, I think, on Friday night. So a cold start Saturday, but the sun will be back out, and that's nice. Temperatures into the 50s by Saturday afternoon. And then as we get into Sunday, after a chilly morning, a cold morning, a warmer afternoon with temperatures perhaps into the 60s as we get that nice return southeasterly flow. And look at that. No Arctic air on the map Sunday night. It retreats from the United States of America. Finally, that's great news. So rain chances increase by Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, with a high tomorrow around 54 after a morning start at 28. We'll be into the low 60s on Tuesday with showers and thunderstorms likely, and then a breezy cold day on Friday, and then into the upper 20s on Saturday morning, mid-50s Saturday afternoon, and into the 60s on Sunday. We like that. And take a look at this. Another temperature crash coming up on Friday after the storm system, of course, but nice warming beginning on Sunday through next week. In fact, late next week, maybe temperatures cruising around 70 degrees. This morning, Chase is not far from me. Chase is enjoying a warm fire, crackling just a few feet away from me. Good boy, Chase.
Okay, that's all I have for you on this cold Tuesday morning. Dress in layers this morning. I'm about to take Chase for a very short walk. Please, Chase, do what you have to do quickly. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. I should be wearing a hat. Maybe some gloves for this walk, too. Also live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Ryan Stinnett is back, and we're talking weather this morning on TV. And there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning, posted by 4:45 a.m. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. All right, hang on. Endure this Arctic air. We've got a warming trend a few days away. I like that.
Rich Thomas. Thomas weather.